Moving into a new home can be as stressful as it is exciting. When there is already so much on your list, it's easy to forget a few important steps. Don't miss replacing these items in your new home the next time you move. You'll be grateful that you did. Good morning. I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. Welcome to Mark in the Mornings. Having a little coffee with you. Today, I want to talk about 4 items to replace when you move in. But these are not expensive items. These are small items. But when we review them, I'm sure you will see that they're important things to do at a minimal amount of effort and a minimal amount of expense. So let's begin talking about 4 items to replace when you move in. Toilet seats. While it's always best practice to give everything a good scrubbing before you officially move into a new house, some things should simply be replaced. Toilet seats are often inexpensive to replace, and a new toilet seat can give you peace of mind that the crevices and bolts aren't harboring excessive bacteria. Cabinetry hardware. I talk about how to get your house ready to sell, and one of the things I talk about is updating cabinetry hardware. But perhaps the home you bought, the cabinetry hardware was not updated. So changing the hardware on your cabinets is a relatively easy way to upgrade your home's new aesthetic. While you don't have to put this replacement high on the priority list, it is certainly one to have on your list once you are fully moved in. Replacing dated hardware with a sleek and modern look can be an inexpensive trick that will have a big impact on your new home. Old and inefficient light bulbs. Keeping efficiency high and ensuring your home is eco-friendly as possible is key to reducing your carbon footprint and keeping your electric bills reasonable and affordable. You may be surprised how much you can save long-term by immediately replacing any dated bulbs in your home. A small task is easy to forget, so capture the savings quickly while you're still in the project mood. Shower curtain. This is probably pretty obvious, but since shower curtains collect soap, scum, and mildew, and they are an inexpensive item, consider replacing the existing curtains when you move into a new home. If they are visibly clean, but you would prefer to replace them, consider using them as an improvised drop cloth as you are working throughout the home. Thank you for watching my video. I invite you to go to my website at markrenner.com and browse. There's some interesting things on there. There's videos on what the real estate market is like right now, how COVID-19 has affected our real estate market. Also at my website, you can get special buyer and seller reports. Just click on that link and I will email you or mail you whichever reports you want. There's reports for buyers, how to buy a house, sellers, what to do to get your house ready for sale, information on mortgages, builders, and other interesting things. I can mail them or email them to you because I have them in a digital format. So my personal contact information is streaming below. You can email me, mark@markrenner.com, and let me know what special reports you'd like, or just give me a phone call. Please feel free to call me if you'd like further explanation on any of my videos, or if you have any real estate questions at all. I simply see my mission as striving to be as helpful as I possibly can to area homeowners. I hope this video provides the information you need to be an informed homeowner. Have a great day and be safe.